After you've spent a little bit of time working with multi-site, you may get to the point where you find that you just don't need multi-site, or for whatever reason you want to move a site or all your sites off of multi-site. I'm going to walk through the steps on how you would go about doing that. The first thing you want to do is go into your multi-site setup and then go to the particular site that you would like to move. Now, in this area, you want to go to Tools, Export. And we'll get an option here if we want to export all content. I'm going to go ahead and click Download Export File. This has created an XML file for me. Let me go ahead and open this up in the text editor. So you can see this is all my content from my current site. So I'm going to close that. And I'm just going to go to the dashboard of my new site that I wanted to be set up as and go into Tools, go into Import, and then I'm going to import all of that content. I'm going to click here on WordPress, install the WordPress importer to import WordPress posts. The big thing to think about, and really the only process you need to keep in mind, is that you just need to set up your new install before you go ahead and do this. So I'm going to click on WordPress, click Install Now. I'm going to activate plugin and run importer. And it's just going to give me the option to upload the XML file. And we're going to click open. We're going to add the file and import. And here we can set up whatever name you want to be associated with. I'll say admin. And I'm going to click download and import file attachments, click submit. And sometimes it takes a few seconds for this to get loaded up. It really just depends on the size of your site. So it's going to run through the configuration now. Great. Oh, it failed to create a new user, but it looks like it added in all my files. So I can still go back through and add additional users. If I need to go through all my pages, you can see there's pages in there already. So all my files moved over. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that it didn't move over all my plugins. So if you have a WordPress blog on your multi-site and it's just posts, pages, and images, you can go ahead and run the importer.